Hi, I'm Emily from motormatchstoke, and today I'm going to be showing you around this manual Nissan Qashqai in white. This vehicle boasts a 1.2 litre petrol engine and meets Euro 6 emission standards. Finished in this stunning white, adding to the car's stylish look, this vehicle makes the perfect options for all drivers. This vehicle benefits from these stunning 5-spoke 19-inch alloy wheels. Also from these stunning bi-LED automatic headlights with automatic levelling and automatic high to low beam, as well as LED daytime running lights, front fog lights, and it is also complemented by these stunning rear lights, ensuring that you are always visible. Now moving to the rear cabin, we have the stunning leather upholstery with Isofix anchor points for those child seats, making this the perfect vehicle for families, as well as a removable armrest with cup holders and magazine holders for those long trips. Now moving to the boot space with ample of room where the back seats fold down at a 60-40 split, and also with a variable boot floor, providing ample of room perfect for fitting everything you need for those weekends away. Now moving into the front cabin, we have the same leather upholstery on the front two seats as the back with a panoramic sunroof, perfect for those summer months, and also a fully adjustable seat. Now moving behind the leather multifunctional steering wheel, we can see everything you need is provided right in front of you. Now moving to the infotainment system, navigation is provided in this vehicle for those unfamiliar journeys, as well as you can explore the radio options, connect your mobile device, as well as pop in a CD player to listen to your own desired music. A rear parking camera as well as front and rear parking sensors are provided, making manoeuvring easier than ever. Moving down, you'll find your dual zone climate control to set the cabin to your preferred temperature. Moving down, you'll find your two front heated seats, perfect for those cold morning drives, as well as a movable armrest for more storage inside. Thank you for watching this presentation on this manual Nissan Qashqai in white. If you are interested in this vehicle, please get in touch with our friendly sales team here at Motormatch Stoke.